am Tanisha Sullivan. I'm the president of the NAACP here in Boston, and we could not be more honored as a branch within the association to be serving as host to this historic convention at such an important time in our nation's history. There is power in service. And today we celebrate the volunteerism of Bostonians. We celebrate the volunteerism of Bay Staters and those all across New England. This is a cornerstone of our democracy. What can we do for our neighbors? And so I want to thank the Commonwealth. I want to thank the City of Boston. I want to thank our sponsors, but most importantly, I want to thank the volunteers who are going to demonstrate today the heart and soul of service that is rooted here in our city.
What an opportunity for the City of Boston. I feel so blessed and lucky that all of us in this moment get the chance to reap the benefit of more than 5 years of hard work and planning and ups and downs of this roller coaster of the longest ever journey to any national convention with NAACP, the longest journey for any city to put the collaborations and the partnerships together, to go virtual, then to do it all over again. So thank you, Madam President, for steering that ship throughout all of this and making sure that now we have an opportunity to have the biggest and best ever show of any convention.
And this particular place we're in right now, how lucky are we to have the types of green spaces throughout Massachusetts, but right here in the heart of our city, a place that has amazing recreational opportunities. Think about that, in one place to be able to knit together neighborhoods, opportunities, people to be able to enjoy this tremendous space. And that doesn't happen without all of us being here. And I brought my work clothes. I am working today, all right? So this is not a just here and then rah-rah, see you guys, right? We're gonna get to work.